with a YouTube without Honda game. It's the same day. Just grinding for more videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch out your tail lights. I went to the junkyard, found some good ones. The rest in the back seat, but mine is just cracked up all bad. Cracked this one at least, so I have to switch that one. You see the cracks? But yeah, show you how to switch them out. Alright, you got one bolt right here. Then you got, hold on, I can't see it. One bolt right here. And there's a little one right there. Take those three out. Then you have to slide it out, then it will come out. Alright, once you get out, it should come out like that. I gotta clean all that. Alright, same thing with that side. You can tell this one getting water in it. It's a little bit dirty, but now that works it out. Alright, for the corner lights, you got 3 bolts. One right there, one right there, one right there. And then make sure you unplug your wires beforehand. Boom, after you get them bolts out, you just snug on it like that. It should come out. These is the old tail lights. Then you do the same thing. I forgot to tell you, have to take these little clips out. Then put this whole thing back. Alright, got all the tail lights out. I should clean it more better, but I don't have like the stuff to clean it. All of it out. And now, you gotta put the new ones in. Or new like used. Alright, here's the difference. The top ones I got from the junkyard. And the bottom ones up on the car. You do the same thing, just put them back in, like I repeat the process. And yeah, I'll let you know what I'm doing. Alright, gotta put in. Look good. But make sure your lights be working though. Hold on. See the lights working. Let me check some. How's this work? Hold on. Yep. All lights working. I'll check the reverse when I get back. But yeah, that's how you put your tail lights in. I was looking for some clears. I seen some at the junkyard. I got so excited, but it wasn't clears. They were like some aftermarket. I don't know what brand, but they were like worn out, all cracked up, so I didn't get them. That was dirt about that pass by. But yeah, alright gang, I'll be back with another video. Give me more content ideas. Alright, that'll be the video. Went to the junkyard, found some tail lights, some little things. I will be back though to find some more stuff. There was some good stuff out there. That Impala was crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I see y'all back with another video.